and this is V.
Hi.
And they're a part of
the Qwaint channel, where we chop up stuff with fruit, ninja weapons.
And today we're gonna be doing candy weapons!
Yeah.
We're the task force that has been assigned to eliminate candy crime.
That's right. I've got a mace chain. It's made out of Laffy Taffy, and it's got Jolly Ranchers as spikes and like a gummy Skittle rope thing.
No, it's not Skittles!
What is that?
It's a nerd rope.
A nerd rope. Okay. It's a
I only know it because I'm
What?
real cool. What you got over here?
Whoa!
You got a spear!
That is intense.
I have a name for my
Oh, you have it?
Oh.
It's Brittany.
Britney Spears.
Wow! V, how'd you make that?
Corn syrup, some water,
Okay.
and some sugar.
Okay.
And then some food coloring, obviously.
Nice.
I boil that into like a super high temperature,
Okay.
and then I just make this.
And we have a sledgehammer.
Let's hear it.
Wow! Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
What do you got over there?
You wanted to ask me a question?
Oh!
That is hard.
What are these for, man?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, by the way, safety goggles are important. Okay, guys, we're over here to take some sweet justice over to Darth Vader and his balloons over here. So, Chad, you want to go first?
Sure, why not? With the mace. But you know what? We got two chain maces. Let's take them out together.
You mean it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
You gonna count me down?
Yeah. 99, 98. Okay, you want a shorter count?
A little shorter, that'd be
Okay. 2, 1.
No! Tolly! What did you do?
It actually
Look at the shape of that.
Dude, that was so much fun.
That was awesome.
I had tons of fun. I'm Vitaly, this is V, and this is Chad. Make sure you guys check out their channels.
And we did a video with these guys over there. We made 4 more candy weapons, so definitely check that out. Link is in the description below.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye!